So now what we need to do is that we need to work on the design of the single page, the page that is going to display only a single movie and its details and its information. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to just keep the image displayed on the left side, but on the right side I'm going to be displaying all of the information, such as the title, the year, the storyline, actors, all of these things, country, the language of the movie, etc. And that can be done by using a Bootstrap grid system. So on the left side we will be displaying a column, and on the left side I'm going to be displaying a column, and on the right side I'm going to be displaying a column. And the column of the left side is going to be, as you can see, it's going to be small, whereas the column on the right side is going to take a much larger area. So how can we accomplish that? Well, it's very simple. First, we need to head on over to the page that we want to fix its design, which is the single_movie.html, and then we want two columns. So the first column here is going to be here div, and then class, and then it's going to be equal to call, and then sm small, and then mb margin bottom, and then 3. And then what we want to display inside that column is that we want to display this image. So I'm going to copy this image. So I'm going to copy this image from the other column, and I'm going to display it in the first column. So this is the first column. The second column is going to display the title and the year and other information, but it's going to be column large, LG, because we want it to take a much larger area. So I'm gonna save now, and then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna head on over back to the browser to see the difference. If you refresh, you'll find that we have now an image on the left and the information on the right. But we still need to fix a few things. First, we need to fix the image because now the image is too large. To fix the image, we can here pass a class to this image. Instead of using the card class, we can use a class called img and then thumbnail. And now if you save and head on over back to the browser and refresh, as you can see, the image will be displayed on the left side and it's smaller and it looks better, but we still need to work on this area. We want it to take a much larger area here. So first we want to remove this this card. We don't need this. Specifically, we want to remove this style. We want to remove this style, and we want to get more information. But let me first save and show you the difference. If you save and refresh, now as you can see, it's gonna be larger. And also you can fix that by specifying the number of columns here. You can say hyphen and then 3. Now if you save and if you refresh, it's gonna look even much better, as you can see. So you can play around with these numbers. You can here specify the number of columns that you want for this image.